Did you know the Cadillac 6.2 engine is capable of producing up to 420 horsepower? Now that's what we call power. Welcome to the world of engines where the Cadillac 6.2 reigns supreme. A masterpiece of engineering, this robust engine is more than just a powerhouse. It's a symbol of performance, speed, and reliability. This engine is a marvel in the automotive world, boasting an impressive capacity that's hard to match. It's a small block V8, but don't let the term small block mislead you. This engine packs a punch with its massive displacement of 6.2 liters, providing a wellspring of raw power. Now let's talk about horsepower. With a staggering 420 ponies, the 6.2 can propel any vehicle it's bolted into with an exhilarating force. It's about more than just speed, though. It's about the thrill of the ride, the rush of adrenaline as you feel the engine roar to life beneath you. But that's not all. This engine is also renowned for its torque capabilities. With 460 foot-pounds of torque, it ensures a smooth and powerful drive, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling steep inclines. The Cadillac 6.2 engine is the heart of some of the most iconic vehicles in the Cadillac lineup, including the luxurious Escalade and the high-performance CTS-V series. In these vehicles, the engine's power and performance truly shine, offering drivers a uniquely thrilling and smooth driving experience. So, what makes this engine stand out? It's the perfect blend of power and performance. It's the feeling of control and confidence it instills in the driver. It's the roar of the engine that resonates with car enthusiasts worldwide. If power and performance matter to you, the Cadillac 6.2 engine certainly lives up to the hype. Ever wondered how the Cadillac 6.2 engine comes to life? Well, the journey of this beast from raw materials to a roaring powerhouse is nothing short of an engineering marvel. It all starts with the careful selection of high-quality materials. The engine block, the heart of the 6.2, is crafted from durable, high-strength cast iron. This ensures a robust foundation, essential for housing the intense combustion process, and guarantees longevity. Moving on, the cylinder heads, made from lightweight aluminum, are meticulously machined for precision. This not only reduces the overall weight of the engine, but also aids in efficient heat dissipation, crucial for high-performance engines like the 6.2. Next comes the assembly process, where magic truly happens. Each part, from the smallest screw to the largest gear, is assembled with surgical precision. The pistons, connecting rods, and crankshaft all come together to form the engine's internal moving parts. The assembly process is a symphony of man and machine, with skilled technicians working hand in hand with state-of-the-art robotic arms. The result? An engine that's built to deliver power, performance, and reliability every single time. But the journey doesn't end there. Before the 6.2 engine roars to life, it has to pass stringent quality checks. These checks ensure that each engine adheres to Cadillac's high standards. From pressure tests to ensure there are no leaks, to dynamometer tests that measure the engine's power output, every single engine is put through its paces. In fact, it's this attention to detail in the production process that ensures the Cadillac 6.2 engine stands out. It's not just about creating an engine, it's about crafting a piece of art that delivers raw power and smooth performance, all while ensuring durability and reliability. And that's the beauty of the Cadillac 6.2 engine. It's not just a piece of machinery, it's the result of countless hours of design, engineering, and testing. It's a testament to Cadillac's commitment to excellence, and it's what makes the 6.2 engine a marvel of automotive engineering. From raw materials to a powerful engine, the Cadillac 6.2 engine's production process is nothing short of impressive. But what if we told you that this beast of an engine is also a friend of the environment? Yes, you heard it right. The Cadillac 6.2 engine, apart from being a powerhouse of performance, is designed with a keen eye on environmental responsibility. It's not just about raw power, but also about how efficiently that power is used. And that's where the Cadillac 6.2 engine steals the show. The secret lies in its advanced fuel efficiency design. The 6.2 engine doesn't just guzzle gas mindlessly. Instead, It uses it judiciously, ensuring every drop counts. This is made possible by the innovative active fuel management technology, a feature that sets the 6.2 engine apart from its peers. Active fuel management, or AFM, is a technology that's as clever as it sounds. It's all about making the most of what you have. When the engine doesn't need all its cylinders firing, AFM steps in and deactivates some of them. This means less fuel is consumed and fewer emissions are produced. So whether you're cruising down the highway or stuck in city traffic, the 6.2 engine adjusts its performance to suit the driving conditions, all while keeping an eye on the environment. But don't think for a second that this comes at the cost of performance. On the contrary, the moment you need that extra bit of power, the deactivated cylinders spring back into action, giving you the full might of the 6.2 engine. So you see, the Cadillac 6.2 engine is more than just a piece of machinery. It's a testament to the idea that power and environmental responsibility can coexist. It's about understanding that our love for cars shouldn't come at the expense of the planet we call home. In a world where every step towards sustainability counts, the Cadillac 6.2 engine stands as a shining example of how technology can help us tread lightly on our planet, even as we enjoy the thrill of the open road. The Cadillac 6.2 engine proves that power and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Curious to see how the Cadillac 6.2 engine performs on the road? Well, buckle up because we're about to take you on a journey that's as smooth as it is powerful. The Cadillac 6.2 engine is not just about numbers, it's about the real-world performance that leaves drivers marveling at its capabilities. When drivers step on the gas, they are immediately met with a surge of power that propels the vehicle forward. This is no ordinary engine. It's a beast that's ready to roar at your command. The power is not merely impressive, it's exhilarating. Drivers have often likened the experience to that of a roller coaster ride, one that's thrilling yet controlled. But power isn't the only thing the Cadillac 6.2 is known for. The engine's smoothness is a thing of beauty. It's like a well-choreographed dance, where every move is precise and graceful. The transition between gears is so seamless, you'd hardly notice it. It's like gliding on air, with the engine purring softly under the hood. Then there's the fuel efficiency. Yes, you heard that right. Despite its power and performance, the Cadillac 6.2 engine is surprisingly fuel efficient. It's an engine that knows when to flex its muscles and when to take it easy. This makes it an ideal choice for both city driving and long highway stretches. Drivers have also praised the engine's reliability. It's a workhorse that's built to last, delivering consistent performance day in, day out. It's clear that the Cadillac 6.2 engine is not just about brute force, it's about delivering a driving experience that's both thrilling and dependable. So how does the Cadillac 6.2 engine perform on the road? In a word, superbly. It's a symphony of power, smoothness, and efficiency that's music to a driver's ears. It's an engine that doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. When it comes to delivering a thrilling driving experience, the Cadillac 6.2 engine ticks all the boxes. It's not just an engine, it's the heart of a vehicle that's designed to thrill, to excite, and to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. So what's next for the Cadillac 6.2 engine? As we delve into the future, it's clear that the 6.2 engine isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about reimagining the driving experience, taking it to new heights. Cadillac is committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and the 6.2 engine is no exception. Imagine a world where the roar of an engine doesn't mean compromise, where power and performance meet fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. That's the world Cadillac envisions with the future of the 6.2 engine. They're not just dreaming about it, they're actively working to make it a reality. Cadillac's engineers are constantly innovating, relentlessly pursuing every ounce of potential, every possibility to make the 6.2 engine even better. They're exploring new technologies, refining existing ones, and always pushing for that extra mile per gallon. And it's not just about fuel efficiency, it's about reducing emissions too. Cadillac understands that a powerful engine can also be a clean engine. That's why they're committed to developing technologies that will make the 6.2 engine even more environmentally friendly. With the Cadillac 6.2 engine, the future of driving looks bright and green.